you had my love and I gave you all my trust, would you comfort me? And if somehow you knew that your love would...
Hello guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for taking some time out of your day to watch this video. Really does mean a lot to me. And I just wanted to show you guys a very wearable, easy green type of look. And with this look, I'm not even wearing false lashes. It's just really wearable, just something that I have been doing anytime that I wear green, and it's really easy to do. It's very quick, and that's why I've been doing it, especially when I'm on the go. And I was gonna throw on some false lashes, but then I figured, you know what, when I've been wearing this look, I haven't been wearing false lashes, just mascara, and as you can see, it looks just fine. And I just wanted to show you guys, this look is using this palette that we got a couple of months ago in our BoxyCharm, and these are the colors. But of course you can obtain this look using any of the colors that are similar to the ones that I've used here. And I think that's everything that I wanted to tell you guys. And once again, if you guys like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, do so now. It's down here, and make sure to click on the bell notification. And as always, if you guys have any video suggestions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below. And once again, if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. And we're starting off with this It Cosmetic brow powder. I've been using this lately, ever since I got it on my BoxyCharm. And I just do like a quick eyebrow routine. I just try to fill them in, and nothing too perfect or precise, just to make my brows look a little bit more bold. And here, of course, if you're not using the spoolie, then you are not doing your eyebrows correctly. This is the L'Oreal Perfecting Base, if I'm saying it right. And this, it's really nice if you have large pores. This is going to help you a lot. And this foundation is one of my favorite foundations that I recommend for anyone with both oily and dry skin. I feel like it just leaves a nice satin finish, and if you're oily, you can just go ahead and, you know, really pat it down with some powder. But if you're dry, you can just do what I do. I just like to pretty much just pat down the areas where I concealed, and then I just pat down the areas where I'm gonna go ahead and bronze. But anyways, here is the Wet n Wild concealer, which is very inexpensive and I recommend as well. And I'm just highlighting here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and first just outline the eyebrows just to give it a more fresh, sharp look. And then I go in with I think it's a sponge from L'Oreal, I'm not too sure, to just blend everything out. And this is it right here. I'm just setting it, I'm just wetting it a little bit and just going back and forth, just making sure everything is blended and there's no lines between where the concealer starts and the concealer ends. And I'm taking this Fit Me powder and the number 15, and once again I'm just putting just a slight bit, not too much. So anytime you're going to go in with the powder, just make sure there's no lines, because if there's any creasing and you set that, it's going to set the creasing. So you don't want to do that. So just always make sure, and you just always make sure you pat it down, make sure there's no lines, and then set it. So I'm just slightly setting, just not too much powder. I don't really like a powdery face on me, especially since I have dry skin. And then here I'm taking this Milani bronzer, which I really do like, and just bronzing up the face, just adding some warmth to the skin. No precise contouring. I don't know, I really just do enjoy just the bronzing part, not too much anything harsh. This Wet n Wild highlighter, this I feel like it's an underrated product. It looks very nice and it gives you a nice pretty golden look. So if you haven't picked this up and you want a glow to your face, then go ahead and do that. And I'm taking this Wet n Wild, once again, blush, and just applying that to the apples of the cheeks. And I'm taking this Wet n Wild powder. It's a lot of Wet n Wild products. And I'm just taking that transition color. I'm just adding a little bit of color to the lid before I go in with the other colors that I'm actually using on the lid. This is the Glam's Metals palette. We got this in our BoxyCharm using this Rock On color, and I'm just applying this all over the lid. And since I already have the foundation on, I just wanted to make sure I sprayed that brush to make sure there was minimal to no fallout. And I'm taking this pretty high up, just over the crease, since I just wanted it to be a very blown out look. And I'm just making sure there's no harsh edges, making sure that's all blended nicely. And then I'm going in with this, I think it was Glam Rock, the name of it. It's just a bronzy color on the palette. And I'm just applying that in the outer V. I'm just giving it a little bit more dimension, and it looks really nice together. And then once I apply that to the areas where I would like, I'm just going to go ahead and just slightly blend everything in together. Like I said, this look is very easy, and I just love doing it. It just takes no time, and I've really been liking it lately. I'm doing the same thing to the bottom lash line. I'm applying the green all over the lash line, and then I'm going in with that bronzy color right on top, but in the outer V. That's what it is. In the outer corners, I'm applying the bronze. And once again, go back in and make sure there's no harsh lines. And I'm taking this color here, and I'm just popping this in the inner corners just to give it that brightening effect. So I figured I'd do, some looks like this. Is something that's very easy for everyone to recreate. And I'm just setting this with this with this Garnier spray. I'm still trying it out, see how I feel about it, and I've been really, really loving this mascara lately. So if you haven't tried it already, definitely pick it up. Highly recommend it. And I'm taking this L'Oreal matte liquid lipstick, and this is the color Nudist, and these will last you like all day. Like once they're on, they're not going anywhere. And I believe that pretty much completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for watching.